little boy needs a hand to hold, and oh, how he loves those little children, how he longs to be a friend to young and old. His tender spirit welcomes all who seek him. His giving heart asks nothing in return, and I have found his promises faithful. I seek to live my life that I may learn to be like Jesus, to be like Jesus, to be the one I was created to be. May all who see my life find him in me. When I received his supreme salvation, his heavenly love filled my earthly soul, and I became a new creation. My brokenness he made completely whole, and through the darkness of this world I've been commissioned to be a light that shines for him alone, surrounded by his infinite mercy. May my life always be known to be like Jesus, to be like Jesus, to be the one I was created to be like Jesus, to be like Jesus. My only earthly goals fulfilled when I'm centered in his will. May all